Hello students of class 6. Today in this video I am going to explain about the meteors. In the last video I have explained what are the planets, then the stars, then comet and satellite. Okay, so in this video I am going to start with the meteors. So these meteors are popularly known as the shooting stars, but they are not actually stars. Okay, the majority or the most of the meteors are actually the small fragments or small pieces of different heavenly bodies that orbits around the sun, like small, tiny or minute planets. Meteors are sometimes thought they are the residues of the comets or of any comets, and it is thought that the origination of these meteors are probably at the beginning of the formation of our solar system. So this meteors travels in a group with high speed in the space, and when it passes the sides of the earth, meteor showers can be seen. When this meteors enters the earth's atmosphere, what happens? They get burnt. Before they reach the ground of the earth's surface. Why this happens, or why they get burnt up before reaching the earth's surface? Because when they enters the atmosphere of the earth, what happens at that point of the time, that a heat gets generated from the friction that occurs between the meteor particles and the air in our atmosphere, which causes the meteors to glow also. So the meteor fragments that reach the ground are known as meteorites. Okay, so the meteor fragments that reach the ground, they are known as the meteorites, and majority of these meteorites are very much smaller in size, but few of them has the weight which weighs in tons. Okay, and when they fall on the ground, they create huge or large holes in the ground. So example of such holes that are formed by the meteorites are, there is a large hole of a diameter of 150 meter depth. Sorry, not diameter, it is a large hole is found whose depth is about 150 meter, was formed by a meteorite in Arizona, which is in USA. Okay, the next is asteroids or asteroid. So what is an asteroid? The asteroids are actually tiny planet that revolve around the sun. Okay, so what are these asteroids? So the asteroids are the tiny planets that revolve around the sun. Okay, there are many asteroids that can be seen in the gap between the orbits of Jupiter and Mars. So and we generally call them as an asteroid belt between these two planets. It can be seen in our solar system also. They, like any other planet, revolve round the sun, and they are believed to have grown up from the left over particles during the shaping of our solar system. Okay, so this is the end of this video. I'm going to continue with the rest of the portion in the next video. Thank you everyone.